Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts in Snapchat to send your snaps. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you opened up your Snapchat, just let's make some snap. I'll make a short video like that. And now to make a shortcut, first I need to tap here on send to. First, of course, I can edit that video as I want, as I normally do, any effects, and then tap on send to, and there on that screen first, you see the shortcut icon right here. If I select that, I can see how it works. That's a group of 3 people that I recently added to the shortcut. And now to create new shortcut, just tap here at shortcuts. Right there at the right. But if you create the first shortcut, you need to tap on the search bar, and that shortcuts button will appear right here. That's how it was in my case. And now to create new shortcut, just tap here, tap on new shortcut, select some persons, then choose emoji to that shortcut, like that, for example, and tap on create shortcut. And now I see that there are 2 groups of people, so I have now 2 shortcuts. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.